So you guys got to let us know if you want it.
Mm-hmm.
Tell us below
what
if you want it.
What is it?
That thing. Hey guys, welcome back. We finally made it to Sema. The Supra is here. The interior is done. You got to check out the interior. You got to show them. You got to show them. It's pretty cool.
Oh, yeah. Well, hey, get out of the way. Hey, you with the face.
She's got to do her makeup.
Are you doing your makeup in the Supra? What? What are you doing right now? What? Are you done now?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You can proceed.
Oh, thanks.
So guys, welcome back.
So show us the interior, man.
We got the interior done. So the cool thing is we had to move. We were going to move some of the interior bits, but we actually didn't have to. The shifter actually matches real nice. Nothing gets in the way. So just to make things easier, we didn't have to cut apart the whole car. The only thing that we did, we moved the sport button, the lane assist button, and the parking switch back, and then just made a little bit more room for the shifter and the boot. So it turned out great. I'm happy with it. We're going to leave our car for now. We're going to go check out all the other cool stuff.
Like the other Supras?
All the other Supras. All the wide-body Supras.
Oh, yeah.
I think that's why they're building an additional convention center across the street.
Oh, yeah.
So they can store more Supras, because there's a ridiculous amount of Supras here. I think the coolest one, obviously, is...
There's literally one right... Well, there's a Russian... Oh, there you go, right there. There's one right in front of us.
Is that a BMW M Supra over there?
I don't know, but I bet it doesn't have a stick in it.
Probably not.
Look at that one.
Hey, Dan, look at that one. Huh? Hey, look at that one. Oh, wait, look at that one.
Oh, there's so many.
I wonder what the difference is between all these wide-body Supras. Hey, look at that.
Whoa.
That's not a Supra.
That's not a Supra at all.
But is that a Supra?
Wait. Yep, it is. Totally is.
Is that a Supra?
Wait, what?
Oh. Wait, is that red one a Supra? It is.
Oh my gosh. There's so many Supras. Supra.
Oh my god.
Supra. Real Supra.
The masses have entered.
What?
I can tell the masses have entered. There's people running.
Oh. There's so many people here. That's pretty cool. That was alright.
I need coffee and donuts.
Me too.
We'll get some.
Hey, there's another Supra out there.
There's 3 or 4.
So you guys got to let us know if you want it.
Mm-hmm.
Tell us below
what
if you want it.
What is it?
That thing.
Oh. It seems to be missing something.
It's got flappy paddles.
That's not acceptable.
It's got flappy paddles. We don't want to make the car slower.
Oh. No, we just want to make it more fun.
Yeah. So, God damn it.
What?
Because you did that whole, like, in your face.
Yeah,
thing,
in
right?
your face,
You're
bro.
like,
It's always in your face. So what are we doing, man? What's happening?
So we walked around, we checked out Sema. It's pretty huge. There's a lot of stuff going on, but it's 2 o'clock. I think stop that.
Stop clapping.
Okay, I'm going to do this from now on.
Yeah, there you go.
I'm just gonna do this from now on.
What?
I think.
Oh.
What do you think? What do you think? I'm thinking some back road car stuff. We have the gated scud here. He's
Ooh.
got his 458 here.
Ooh.
I hear there's some cool roads on the north side of town.
I think you have a.
We have
You
Google
may
Maps.
or may not have a great photographer with you at all times.
I thought that guy left us last night.
What? No, I'm right here. Don't you worry.
He's right there. He's right there.
So
Right there.
right, yeah. So
Back road car stuff.
back row car stuff.
As I'm drinking a beer.
As,
Don't worry.
as he's drinking a beer. Don't worry. We'll be sober by then. We are sober.
Yeah.
That's actually Coke.
And also,
there.
it's Pepsi.
It's yes, yeah.
No free brandos, but it's Pepsi. Cola.
It's light drink.
Yes.
Okay,
Right.
so to the Uber. So we just got back to the house. We're grabbing the 430 gated scud and Dan's 458. We're gonna go hit some back roads. The sun's going down, so
He just leaves me every time.
Maybe it's that park. Maybe it's because it's in a park. It's a toll.
Tolls?
It says tolls.
it didn't say anything on online.
On the maps, though, it says tolls, though, right?
Yeah. Whatever.
Whatever. Whatever. Oh my God, bro.
Wow.
Yes?
Immediately. Yeah, for sure. Look at that.
Oof.
Yeah. This is dope.
Right there.
Yep.
Oh my God.
Right there.
It's pretty flat. You're good. Oh God, epic.
Super epic, right?
So we're out here in Nevada. There's some awesome roads, so we decided to bring Dan's Ferrari and the 430 Scuderia out here. If some of you guys are new to the channel, you've been watching our Supra build. A lot of you don't know that we actually built the 430 Scuderia with a 6-speed manual. It's the only one on the planet right now, and we just brought it out here to have a good time. And if you guys want to see any of that, we have the videos that are earlier on our YouTube channel, so check those out, and we have more cool stuff to come.
This shot.
Look at Dan.
You need this shot right here.